kaibigan, if we're gonna talk about long term, live good tayo papunta. Ito na po, medyo maganda na itong usapan natin. I only have like 30 minutes to discuss this to yung mga kaibigan. Hopefully, ito ay tataas ang kumpiyansa nyo. Okay? Because I'm gonna use facts. Okay? Pagdating po dito sa aking ipapaliwanag. Okay. Bigyan na tayo ng sobrang gandang konsepto. You know, the only company that pays its members. Okay? Meron tayong nakukuhang value, napaka-important, health, income, savings, lahat na po. Ito lang po yung sum, but ang dami pala. Sobrang daming benefits, sobrang daming advantages pag ikaw nag-join sa Live Good. Pang long term ba ang posisyon ng nila Ben Glinsky, Noder Kazan, Lisa at Ryan Goodkin? Yes. Sobrang dami oh. Hindi mabilang. Iilan lang yan. Okay. But if we're gonna look at it mga kaibigan, siyempre ang sasabihin ng iba, kasi bago pa lang kayo eh. Medyo delikado. True naman, bago talagang Live Good. Hindi naman pwedeng i-deny yun, no? We're running for like 19 months to be exact. 19 months to be exact po tayo tumatakbo. Pero itong ipapakita ko susunod sa inyo, yung phases of network marketing or multi-level marketing mga kaibigan. Para maintindihan niyo po hanggang sa pinaka-huling presentation ko mamaya, maintindihan niyo saan ba tayo papunta. Okay? So ito na, MLM phase of growth. Ito po importante na maintindihan niyo kung saan ba tayo right now. Okay? Ito na, nagawa na ako ng graph. Formulation stage. Ang formulation stage normally from 0 day to 12 months. Yan po yung formulation stage ng isang MLM company. Lumagpas na ba tayo? Yes. At ito ang nakasaad sa formulation stage. This is the riskiest time. A lot of company did not survive on the first year. And this is true. Alam ni Brother Ferdinand, alam na matatagal na nating mga coaches yan. Ang dami po. I have a friend, nung 2022, 2 kumpanya ang binuksan. 12 months. Kasi yung isa nagsarado. Tapos ngayon, nag-abroad na lang. Diba? May mga documented po ito mga to ha. Nag-i-exist po ito mga kaibigan. Concentration phase. Dito kikilabutan ka na sa, uy, concentration phase. Ano ba to, Jing? Many leaders start to join the company as it now has the appearance of more stable and long-term opportunity. Mga kaibigan, maraming mga networkers or network marketing leaders out there nakatingin lang sa atin. They are not wishing for us to fail. They are wishing for us na makasurvive on the second and third year. Because the moment mangyari yan, pag nag-cross na tayo doon, mahagip na natin yung momentum stage. Dito na po bubuhos, okay? Ang maraming mga leaders. Yung leaders na nagsipagsali, the first 12 months, wala pa po yan sa mga leaders na parating pagpatak ng 2 years pataas hanggang 5 years because nakatingin lang sila. Again, ulitin ko, they are not wishing for us to fail. They're wishing for us na lumago para maganda ng entry nila. Ang aware sila dito, no? A company will experience explosive growth and distributors will see a rapid team growth. Ito na po yung massive growth ng Live Good. Now, between 3 to 5 years. Now, the best time to join is before, during the concentration phase. Kasi nga, 12 months eh. Ibig sabihin, from 1 year to 5 years. Ngayon po ay magto 2 years na tayo. Ito na ba yung best time to join? Yes, because nasa pioneering stage na po tayo mga kaibigan. These are phase, and ito na po yung stage. Massive growth. And of course, pinaka-last stability stage. Normally, this happens between 5 to 7 years, mga kaibigan. Now, this seen after a long proven track record of success and stabilization of massive growth. And ito po, statistics lang po yan kung bakit nag-grow ang isang company. No? Key statistics dyan is that the company keeps on innovating. Now, the question is, nag-innovate ba yung company natin? When we started, 14 products lang ngayon. Diyos ko Lord, 28 na, 29. Tapos may dinagdag pa. At ito nakakatuwa mga kaibigan. I want you to pay attention on the next slide na ipapakita ko. Kasi dito, kung yung kumpiyansa mo kanina, nasa 50% lang, ngayon maging 100% yan. Why? Long-term business in a digital era ba ang setup ni Libgood? Yes. Ito po ha, isa-isahin ko. We took 5. 5 lang to, dinagdag ko lang isa kanina. Okay. Subscription. Billion-dollar industry, 350% increase in the past 7 years, projected to hit trillion-dollar industry in the next 5 years. Nag-exist na ba ang subscription? 20 years na po on a digital setup. That's number one. Let's keep number one point. Number two, health and wellness. This is also a billion-dollar industry. Food supplement alone generated $170 billion in revenue in 2023. Nag-exist na to 100 years. Do we have supplements? Yes, we do. Number three, network marketing. There are 120 million network marketing professionals around the world. Ito pwede mo ipagmalaki. Nasa networking ako, kaya magsasabi sa iyo na, ay, yung networking, 120 million kasama namin, nagmamarket sa buong mundo. Mas malaki pa to sa BPO. 120 million po ito. Oh. Billion-dollar industry projected to hit $320 billion by 2030. Ilang taon na nag-exist ang network marketing? 100 years. And this is true. Tupperware. No, Tupperware. They use a Unilever. It's a form of network marketing, pero na-recognize talaga. Mamaya ipapakita ang isang company na talaga nakilala ng husto, mga kaibigan. Do we have a network marketing concept? Yes. Panglima, e-com, dropshipping, 230 billion industry in 2023, projected to hit 500 billion by 2026. Dropshipping, 60 years, e-commerce, 30 years. Do we have that? Yes. Affiliate marketing, 17 billion. Ito bagong usbong pa lang. Affiliate marketing, $17 billion industry in 2023, projected to hit 28 billion by 2027, 30 years na. 5 napakagandang konsepto inadapt ng isang kumpanya. And we are the membership that pays. Inadapt natin itong mga to. 20 years, 100 years, 30 years, 100 years, pinagsama-sama. Do you think hihinto to after 2 years? No, I don't think so. And these are facts. Totoo po ito. Hindi ko to inimbento. Tayo ang naunang mag-market. Tayo ang nag-pioneer na ganitong klaseng konsepto and a network marketing setup / subscription. Yan yung business growth. At eto pa, isang araw lang. Ayan yung 5, dinagdag pa to. Diba? Paano ko na? Dinagdag pa, The world's oldest non-prescription was recorded on a clay tablet, Mesopotamia, more than 2400 BC. Prescription medicine, 1.6 trillion industry. Yan po ang meron sa Libgood right now. Mga kaibigan, mga kapatid, gift na po sa atin ito. Sa lahat ng nandito right now, share this with your group, mga kaibigan. Gift na nandito sa atin si Libgood. Gift na napasali ka dito kay Libgood. I remember a quote yung isang, alam niyo yung Kung Fu Panda? Yan yung palabas na yung may panda, no? Yung si Grandmaster Oogway, may sinabi siya dun eh. Kasi baka sabihin ng iba, bakit mo pinapakita sa anong connection? Connection kasi palalalimin natin yung kung reason bakit mo kailangan gawin si Libgood right now. Not tomorrow, today. Sabi ni Grandmaster Oogway, no? Yesterday was history. Tomorrow is mystery. But today is a gift. That's why it's called present. Naandito ka na, kasali ka na, nag-subscribe ka na, may group ka na. We have the facts, kompleto na. Tatakbo to na matagal. Yes, tatakbo na matagal. Wala na pong kaduda-duda dito, mga kaibigan. This is what will happen. At ito maganda. Bibigyan natin ng projection ngayon. Walang halong hype, walang halong bola. Projection based sa facts ulit. Ito na. 10 years projection ni Libgood, mga kaibigan. Okay, totoo ba yung sinasabi na 20, 30 years dadami in 2000? Well, ito ay ginawa ko. I did a simulation, finactored in ko yung mga attrition. Okay, hindi po pwedeng magdoble. Baseline 2023 1 million members. By 2024 2 million members. Now, ayan na siya. Yan ang itsura niya. 1 million, 2 million pag 2024. Okay? With attrition, ito na. With attrition, expected to bring 600,000 members starting in 2025. So sa 2025, magbibring ng bagong member na 600,000. At ito ay tinaasan ko ang attrition 70%, 30% lang po ang nag-join from the actual number ng previous years. Make sense, no? So, again, 30% lang po increase na, hindi po 50%, hindi 100%. Kasi, ano yun medyo maglolokohan po tayo. I'm giving you the facts right now sa nangyayari sa network marketing. Actually, pinababa ko po ng husto ang attrition. Kasi normally attrition, 50%. Ito, binabaan ko ng husto, binaba ko ng 30% talaga. Okay? So, ito na. 2025, 600,000 new members, 2.6 million. Oh. 2026, 780,000 members, 3.38 million. 2027, 1 million additional members, 4.3 million. 2028, 1.3 additional members, 5.7 million members na. By 2028, 1.7 million new members on 2029 plus 5.7, 7.4 million members total. 2.2 million members by 2030, total of 9.6 million members na ang LiveGood. 2030, after 9 years, 12.5 million, no? Kasi nadagdagan tayo ng 2.895 million members. New members po ito by 2000. And by 2032, 16.3 million kasi madagdagan tayo ng 3.763 million 800. Again, mga kaibigan, tinaasan ko po ang attrition niyan. Ito na po yung worst possible scenario na mangyayari sa LiveGood. Pag bumaba pa yung attrition natin, lalong tataas po ito. Ito ay mag-additional mga around 10 million. So, sakto yung projection between 20 to 30 million katao in 10 years, mga kaibigan. O, eto na. O, papakita ko sa inyo, ha, mga kaibigan. Amway. Magbabanggit tayong pangalan para hindi naman bias, para totoong may records. Amway, 64 years na nag-i-exist. They only have 15 million members buong mundo right now. So, ang assumption, I did the computation, wala kasi yan, di mo makikita yan sa sa kanilang website kung kailan nila hit yung first million. But I did my assumption, 4 years nila hit yung first million nila. Forever Living, 64 years na rin. Actually, 46 years, sorry, nagkamali yan. 46 years yan, baliktad. 46 years yan, 10 million members sila. Actually, 9.8 million members sila. 6 years nila na-hit yung unang million nila when they launched the company. Herbalife, 44 years na. They only have 4.5 million members. 9 years nila na-hit yung million members nila nung nag-launch sila. Tingnan natin si LiveGood. 1.7 months. Na-hit ang total members, 1.3 million. First million, 13 months. James, do you honestly believe na mangyayari to? Yes. These are numbers and numbers won't lie. Madalas pong sinasabi, numbers won't lie. Yung nagawa ng ibang malalaking kumpanya, itong kampanya to, number 1, 2, and 3 to, 1, 2, 3 po ito sa global ranking. In terms of revenue, in terms of number of distributors nila. Okay? But we did it in 13 months. Because you know why, mga kaibigan? We are, nag-i-evolve. Magaling talaga si Ben Glinsky. IT. Magaling eh. Wala, parang sabi ko nga, anong meron to sa tao na to? Pwede bang mailipat yung utak niya sa akin kahit mga 2 hours lang? Parang magaling talaga siya mag-isip. And he's not an ordinary person. No? Mapansin nyo, he's really concerned na paramihin talaga ang members kasi gusto niyang maraming kumita, kasi gusto niya mag-create ng history. Na-break na natin yung 2 milestone. We paid out commission $50 million first year. We hit 1 million members in 13 months na wala nakagawa. Ito ang tanong ngayon, James. Pag yan ang nangyari, James, gaano karami ang milyonaryo sa Pilipinas? On the first 13 months to 19 months, ang dami na produce na millionaires. And that's a fact. Marami po. Pilipinas lang, ilan nag-diamond? 24? Eh, hindi lang naman ang mga diamond ang nag-million, pati platinum. May gold na nag-platinum. Ay, may gold na nag-million pa. No? Na-hit ba ang million? Yes. If this happens, mga kaibigan, marami pong magbabago talaga ang buhay. And totoo yung sinasabi ni Brother Fernand, maraming babaguhing buhay itong Live Good na to. Okay? When vision, ito madalas pinag-usapan, 2 weeks ago, this is the topic. When vision becomes a reality. And this is the numbers that I'm presenting to you, mga kaibigan. Alam niyo ba, ang vision, ito yung isa sa mga pinakamagandang gift na binigay sa atin ng Diyos. Pinakamaganda to. Best gift that God ever gave to mankind. Our eyesight, mga kaibigan, our eyesight will let us see what is real time. Ano nakita mo? Nandyan lang. Ano nakita mo? Good or bad, nakikita mo siya. But our vision will let us see what could be. Mga kapatid, what I'm presenting to you right now, it's not just a vision. This is the reality of Live Good. Okay? So the question right now, mga kaibigan, mga kapatid, is that ito. Okay, sabi ko kanina, the break or make question. What will you do differently this time? Wala kang kumpiyansa kanina? Sa loob ng 16 months na nandito ka, sa loob ng 19 months na nandito, walang kumpiyansa. Magkakakumpiyansa ka. Mga kaibigan, we are so blessed right now kasi may magagaling na leaders tayo na nagtuturo. Everyday nakikita ko eh. Nagkaroon ako ng marami invitation nung past 2 weeks na nag-talk ako. And nakikita ko talaga matitindi magturo itong mga leaders na to. Wala pang DSI, magagaling mga trainer sa DSI eh. May mga magagaling na trainer talaga, sila Maki, sila Engineer Raymond, sila lahat po magagaling. Yung ibang grupo magagaling eh. Nasa iyo na lahat. Nasa iyo na lahat ng tools. Utilize mo na lang. May numero na tayo eh. The only thing that you need to do right now is that do whatever it takes. Kahit anong mangyari kasi may future na eh. Nakikita natin eh. Alam natin kung ano ang mangyayari. Hindi ka pa sasabay? Well, it's up to you, mga kaibigan. So before I end, I'm just gonna leave you this very nice quote from India's richest man. Yung anak niya kinasal lang recently, grabe ang ginastos, di ba? Si Ambani. Okay? Align your passion and purpose in life with a goal. Lagi ka mag-goal eh. If you focus on the goal, you'll overcome all obstacles. Kahit anong nangyari sa paligid mo, kasi naka-goal ka. Binigyan na kita ng vision and reality ng Live Good, mga kaibigan. Wala nang obstacles, wala kang isipin. Head-on ka na kung ano yung gusto mo talagang mangyari. If you focus on obstacles, you will never reach your goals. And ako, naglagay din ako ng quote. Mga kaibigan, simple lang po. Para di ka ma-burnout, make your action your passion and your vision your obsession, mga kaibigan. Yan po masabi ko, gawin mo siyang passion kasi hindi ka mapapagod. At yung vision mo, ano nakikita mo dito, ma-obsess ka doon. Kasi gaya sinabi ko, gaya sinabi ng nating lahat nila, Brother Fernand, Brother Ferz, sila Miss Janet, babaguhin ang buhay natin dito sa Live Good, mga kaibigan. So having said that, again, thank you so much mga kaibigan, mga kapatid sa pag-invite sa akin. I'm hoping na marami po kayo natutunan sa ating sharing for tonight. 45 minutes yun, but I'm hoping na ito po ay madala ninyo. Again, yung unang presentation ko about the scam and all, 745 participants na nandito. And I just do hope na wala po sa inyo na ma-involve na sa scam once and for all po. Okay? Thank you so much. To God be the glory. Maraming salamat po.
Grabe naman.